AI is transforming everything these days, from how I work to how I shop, and now, even how I manage my money. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to budget smarter, invest better, and save more money even if you're starting from zero. Let's turn your phone into your own personal financial assistant. Now, AI isn't just for tech geeks or Wall Street traders. It can create a personal budget, track my spending habits, analyze my investment portfolio, recommend saving strategies, and even help me automate bills and taxes. It's kind of like having a 24/7 financial advisor in my pocket, and it's either free or super cheap. Let's start with budgeting. Tools like Monarch Money, Clio, or YNAB with AI plugins let me sync all my bank accounts, auto-categorize my expenses, and get real-time feedback. I'll get notifications like, "You're overspending on food," or "You could save $150 this month if you cut back on streaming." Some apps even send daily reports using an AI chatbot. Saving money? That gets way easier when it's automated. Apps like Plum if I'm in the UK, or Digit if I'm in the US, use AI to analyze my income and expenses, then automatically move small amounts into savings without me even thinking about it. I might save $5 to $20 every few days and not even notice it's gone. And if I want to invest but don't know where to start, I try AI robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, or even AI-powered platforms like Q.ai or Magnify. These apps build a portfolio based on my goals and risk level, then rebalance it automatically. Some even use machine learning to predict market shifts. Just a heads up. Always do my own research. AI can also help me get out of debt and boost my credit score. Platforms like Tally manage multiple credit cards and help pay off the most expensive debt first. Or apps like Upstart use AI to find better loan options based on my full profile, not just my credit score. If I want a money coach I can talk to, I go for AI assistants like ChatGPT, Pi, or FinChat.io. I can ask anything from, "How can I save $500 a month?" to, "How much do I need to retire by 50? It's like having a financial mentor on demand right in my pocket. Of course, AI isn't perfect, it's only as good as the data it gets. It doesn't replace common sense or real financial education. And I've got to watch my data privacy, so I always read the fine print before syncing my accounts. I use AI as a tool, not a crutch. To wrap it up, AI won't make me rich overnight, but it can help me make smarter, faster money decisions. I start with just one tool, test it, and build the habit. Let me know in the comments. Which AI money tool will you try first? Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for weekly tips on AI, finance, and building digital wealth.